Namaskar, I am Sanjay Dubey. Welcome in Samma Engineer channel. In this video, we will discuss SSC JEE Civil 2018 examination held on 23rd September 19 in evening shift. The minimum cover for a RCC column should be, according to IS 456 2000, nominal cover for column should be not less than 40 mm or less than the diameter of such bar. However, in the case of a column of minimum dimension of 200 mm, where we use reinforcement bar of 12 mm, a nominal cover of 25 mm may be used. So, the option C is the correct answer. Next question. Extra widening of pavement provided because of off-tracking is known as. When a vehicle negotiates on horizontal curve, rear wheel does not follow the front wheel. Rear wheel off-track on the inner side of the road, which is known as off-tracking, which is due to the rigid axle of the vehicle. Such type of widening which is provided on the road surface is known as mechanical widening. Next question. The minimum edge distance and end distance from the center of any hole to the nearest edge of the plate for seared or hand flame cut edge is, according to IS 800-2007, minimum edge to avoid failure of plate in tension. The minimum distance from the center of any hole to the edge of the plate shall not be less than 1.5 t, where t is the thickness of the plate for plain cut and 1.7 t for hand cut. So, option A is the correct answer. Next question. The effective span of a simply supported beam is. The effective span of the simply supported beam is the lesser value of the clear span plus effective depth of the beam or slab, or center to center of the support, whichever is less. In the given option, correct answer is option D. Next question. The least count of prismatic compass is. The least compound of a prismatic compass is 15 minutes, but given answer in the exam are in second. So the commission has rejected the question in revised answer key. Next question. Offsets are two types. Offsets are the objects which are measured from the survey line. There are two types of offsets: right offset or perpendicular offset and oblique offset. Right offsets, these offset is taken perpendicular to the chain line. Oblique offsets are taken other than right angle to the chain line. Next question. The actual movement of soil mass is known as. There are three types of failure of slope: slope failure, toe failure, and base failure. In the slope failure, the failure of the slope surface intercept the slope above the toe. This can occur when the slope angle beta is very high and soil close to the toe is quite strong. Otherwise, the soil is relatively weaker in upper part. So, the actual movement of the soil must take place. The correct answer is option A. Next question. For most economical section using Cheji formula, depth of flow for maximum discharge through circular channel of diameter d is on the basis of condition of maximum discharge, value of theta, condition for maximum discharge, value of theta is equal to 154 degree. The maximum discharge in a circular channel occurs when the depth of flow is 0.5 d. Y is equal to 0.5 d. Condition for maximum velocity is theta is equal to 128 degree 45 minutes. Maximum velocity occurs when y is equal to 0.81 d. So the option A is the correct answer. Next question. Water absorption for class A roof tile A. On the basis of IS 654 1992, water absorption percent for roofing tiles of Mangalore pattern are 20%. And on the basis of IS 654 1972, water absorption percent for roofing tile class A is 14 to 19%. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. An overflow dam is also known as Gravity Dam and Rockfill Dam are the non-overflow dam. In these dams, water cannot overtop the crest of the dam. Spillway is a structure constructed on the dam side for effectively disposing of the surplus water from upstream to downstream. So, spillway is a type of overflow dam. Next question. A lateral shift in the transition curve is given by when the transition curve is provided on both sides of the circular curve, the actual position of the circular curve is shifted inward. So, this movement of the circular curve from original position to new position is known as shift, and shift is given by L square upon 24R, where L is the length of the transition curve. Next question. Aerated concrete is space in weight. Aluminium powder is used as a gas forming agent in concrete. Large amount of powder increase the expansion, resulting in gas filled lightweight low strength concrete. These are also called formed concrete or aerated concrete or cellular concrete. The concrete are very light and are often used in thermal insulation. Density of aerated concrete is 8 kilonewton per cubic meter. Next question. If the crest length is equal to width of the channel, then it is called. According to the effect of sides on the net emerging from a weir, the weir is classified weir with end contraction and weir without end contraction. Without weir end contraction is known as suppressed weir, in which length of the crease is equal to the width of the channel. So correct answer is option C. Next question. A cantilever beam of span L is subjected to concentrated load W at a distance A from the fixed end. The deflection under the point load is when point load W is applied at the free end of a cantilever B of a span L, then deflection at point V is given by WLQ upon 3EI. In this case, when the load W is applied at point C, which is at a distance A from the fixed end A, and deflection at C is given by WAQ upon 3EI, and the deflection at point V is equal to deflection at D plus slope at C multiplied by the distance EG or L minus A, because portion AC is in curve or parabolic, but portion EF is straight. So the option C is the correct answer. Next question. The length of the transition curve depends on the rate of change of. Length of the transition curve is decided on three criteria. First criteria is rate of change of centrifugal acceleration. Ls is equal to Vq upon Cr, where C is the centrifugal acceleration. V is fixed for a particular design speed in the design of transition curve. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The unit of measurement in square in the case of option A, cement concrete in foundation is measured in cubic meter, hollow concrete block wall is measured in cubic meter, RCC structures are measured in cubic meter, but pointing work is measured in square meter. Next question. The total length of a bar having hook at both the end is. The length of the one hook may be taken as 9 phi, where phi is the diameter of the bar, and the total length of the straight bar hooked at both ends is L plus 18 phi, and bar which are hooked at one end is L plus 9D. So the option D is the correct answer. Next question. Street inlet for draining rainwater is located along the roadside on straight road at interval of. Inlet are the opening on road surface at the lowest point for draining rainwater from roads to the underground storm water sewers or combined sewers. These inlets are located along the roadside at interval of 30 to 60 meter. Next question. Glacier deposited soil is called. Glacier deposited means soil transported by glaciers. Drift is the general term used for glacier soil deposited directly or indirectly, and till is also the glacier deposited soil deposited directly. So both option D and A are correct. Lowest are the air-blown silt. So, Commission has rejected the question in revised answer key. Next question. 1 Qmax day is equal to 1 Qmax day means volume of water. Volume of water 1 Qmax day is equal to 1 Qmax is equal to 1 cubic meter per second flow multiplied by day, which is equal to 24 hours multiplied by 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds. 1 Qmax per day is equal to 86,400 cubic meter. Here we divide by area 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So 1 Qmax day is equal to 8.64 hectare meter. Next question. The slope of bending moment diagram gives the rate of change of bending moment or slope of the bending moment curve give the value of shear force. F is equal to dm by dx. Rate of change of shear force gives the intensity of loading. Next question. The process of obtaining stones from natural stones is called quarrying. The open part of the natural rock from which useful stone is obtained is known as quarry. Dressing of stone is a quarry stone has rough surfaces which are dressed to open a definite and regular shape. Next question. Discharge through the main by connecting pipes in parallel. To increase the discharge in pipe, we arrange parallel pipes. We join parallel pipes of the original pipes. So the pipes are said to be in parallel when the main line divides into two or more parallel pipes which again join together downstream and continues as main line. In case of pipe in parallel, total discharge is equal to sum of the individual discharge and head loss is equal to HF1 is equal to HF2 is equal to HF3. Next question. The design bond stress of M20 grade concrete is. The design bond stress tau Vd is given by 0.16 FCK power 2 by 3. Putting the value of FCK is equal to 20 Newton per mm square, we get tau Vd is equal to 1.2 MPa. Next question. Shear stress is a stress. There are following types of stress. Normal stress, when the stress acts perpendicular to the surface, is known as normal stress, which are of two types, tensile stress and compressive stress. Shear stress, also known as tangential stress. When the stress is act as parallel to the cut surface, it is known as tangential stress or shear stress. Proof stress is the stress at the elastic limit. Next question. For stopping side distance, the eye level should be at. According to IRC criteria, for measuring the side distance, the driver's height is taken as 1.2 meter and object height is taken equal to 0.15 meter. In case of overtaking side distance, height of the driver and object is taken 1.2 meter. Next question. In a geodetic survey, the surface of Earth is considered. In geodetic survey, the surface of Earth is considered curved. This type of survey is used for surveying on large scale and conducted by Department of National Survey of India. In plain survey, the survey in which the curvature of Earth is not taken into account. Next question. A property fetches now 9,000 deducting all outgoing. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum, the capitalized value of the property is. Capitalized value of the property is equal to net income multiplied by year purchase, and the year purchase is given by 100 divided by rate of interest in percent. Here rate of interest is 8%. So year purchase is equal to 100 divided by 8 is equal to 12.50. Now capitalized value of the property is equal to 9,000 multiplied by 12.50 is equal to 1,12,500. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. For big work and projects, the percentage estimated cost provided in the estimate for the purchase of tools and plant is. For big work or project, 1% to 1.5% of the estimate cost is provided in the estimate for the purchase of tools and plant. But the Commission has rejected the question in revised answer key. Next question. Gunter's chain is dash meter long. We know the Gunter's chain or surveyor chain is 60 feet long and consists of 100 links, each of 0.66 feet. 10 Gunter's for linear measurement, 10 Gunter's chain is equal to 1 furlong and 80 Gunter's chain is equal to 1 line. For area measurement, 10 square chain is equal to 1 acre. 1 meter is equal to 3.2 feet. So divide 66 feet by 3.2 we get the length of the Gunter chain is equal to 20.12 meter. Next question. For inspection of welded joint, the method in which iron filling are spread over the weld and it is then subjected to an electric current is known as magnetic particle inspection. MPI method is a non-destructive testing process for defecting surface on iron. The presence of surface or surface discontinuity in the material allows the magnetic flux to leak. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel.